Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muhammad Akib Shehzad and today we are going to discuss a very interesting scholarship program, that is Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program, that is also called MTCP Scholarship Program, that is for master students. If you are planning to study your master degree in Malaysia, then that's a very great opportunity. The MTCP Scholarship is sponsored by the Malaysian government and dedicated to international students from developing countries to pursue their postgraduate study in Malaysia. The duration of award is 24 to 36 months for master degree program, covering any mode of study, coursework, mixed mode and research. So click on apply scholarship. You can apply until 12 June 2026. I am from Pakistan. A master degree, you have to write your passport number, your password and then email address and then register yourself. I'm going to log in my account. I have to put my email and password here. So welcome Muhammad Akib Shehzad. This is my application. So click on here, application form, your country again, your level of study, master degree, academic sessions 26 to 27, course applied for, I am applying for mathematics, and the university you have to select here, University of Malaya, then save information, that is your general information, and after that go to the next page. Here you have to put your personal information, you have to upload your photo here and your passport expiry date. Then go to next step, that is your academic background. You have to put your academic and financial awards here. Same, after finishing this, then go to next, that is your English language proficiency. The next is your previous job. If you have any experience, you can add here. After that, some questions. Have you traveled to any countries within the last 5 years? Have you belonged to, contributed to a work for any professional, social or charitable organization? These are some questions. How many? About 20 questions. You have to answer these 20 questions. Then your statement of intent, your supporting documents, that is your passport, your copy of academic transcript, proof of English, CV, MTCP scholarship medical form, recommendations letter, full admission letter if you have, then declaration. And yes, I agree all the terms and conditions, and then you can submit your application form. The application form is very simple, just you have to complete your documents and fill all this information correctly, and after that you can submit your application form for master scholarship program in Malaysia. So last day to apply for this scholarship program is 12 June 2026. So don't forget to apply in this prestigious scholarship opportunity and also share this opportunity with your other family and friend circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.